I have the feeling this is going to be pretty good. That's some cheese pull there, eh, Tim? Mm-hmm. Today I'm going to be doing a little cooking experiment. I'm going to be making a cheesy, spicy spaghetti oven bake. I've never made this before. I've made a pizza oven bake and a taco oven bake on the channel. And I thought we'd try doing a spaghetti one today. I'll be playing this by ear, so the quantities and amounts of some of these different ingredients, you'll have to watch the video to see how much. We've got 2 jars of spicy marinara sauce from MEATY. They make a great spaghetti sauce. They also have a mild sauce if you don't like spicy. We've got some slices of provolone, which we'll lay across the top to keep everything from drying out as it cooks. And you can never have too much cheese, in my opinion. We've got some sliced Parmesan that's going to go on there. Spaghetti noodles, a couple pounds of hamburger, a pound of spicy Italian sausage, a large red pepper, 2 jalapenos, and about a half a pound of pepperoni, which I'm going to dice up. I think this is going to be really good. Let's get going. Right there I have 2 pounds of ground beef and 1 pound of spicy Italian sausage browning. Right here I've diced up my red pepper. Of my 2 jalapeno peppers, one I cut into little circles like this that'll go on top, and then underneath that there's a bunch that are diced like that red pepper. And then here I also have some diced pepperoni that'll be going in it. As I'm cooking the ground beef, I'll be hitting it with some garlic, some special spice from Von Hansen's, and some onions. I've added my red pepper and diced jalapenos. We've got our spaghetti noodles going. I broke the noodles in half before I started them, and we've got them in a pot with salt and just a touch of olive oil to keep the noodles from sticking. We'll cook them al dente, which means till they're not quite all the way done. We're going to cook these peppers till they're soft. I've added our diced pepperoni to the mix too. Alright, there's my meat and pepper mixture. Again, we've got 2 pounds of hamburger, a pound of spicy Italian sausage, and a half pound of diced pepperoni, a diced red pepper, and a diced jalapeno. Here are my al dente cooked noodles. I'm going to combine those. I'll be back. So I realized when adding the spaghetti to the meat, because they're spaghetti noodles, I was going to have a hard time combining all that. So I put it all in this big pot here. I'm going to put a lid on it and shake it all up together. What you see on top of there is some Parmesan also sprinkled in there that'll be mixed up with everything. Just a moment. Well, that works surprisingly well, the old shakeroo. We got everything combined. We're going to put it in our cooking tray now. I'll be back. Like James Bond's martini, our spaghetti pasta bake was shaken and not stirred. We're now going to add some marinara sauce to it. I'll be back. Alright, we've got our marinara added to it. I actually found it easier to add everything back to the pot and mix it all up that way. We're going to add a cup of water to it just for the noodles. Help them cook, because again they're al dente. Now we're going to add the cheese. We got our provolone slices, jalapenos, and some Parmesan on the top there. That's my cheesy, spicy spaghetti pasta bake. We're going to put that in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes and check it, and I suspect it'll probably need to go another 10 or 15 minutes after that. I'll be back. There you go. Look at that. A trifecta of goodness. My spicy, meaty, cheesy spaghetti bake. Let that cool a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to dish some up. All right, my spaghetti pasta bake is done. Let's dish some up. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty good. That's some cheese pull there, right, Tim? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Does that look good or what?
It looks really good.
Again, when I made my taco pasta bake and also my spaghetti pasta bake, I thought, God, this would go really good with spaghetti. Get a look at it here again. Yeah, we've got Italian sausage. We've got diced pepperoni, jalapenos, red peppers, and again, a lot of provolone. And I know this is going to be hot. Oh my, that is really good. One more bite. I'll give you my full critique. That really turned out good. I think this might be my favorite of the three we've made so far of the pasta bakes. Give her a try. The thing I did at the end where I put everything in that big pot and shook it up to mix it worked really well because the spaghetti noodles are longer. I couldn't just put it all in the dish here and mix it up without making a big mess. So I recommend the pot method for combining all the ingredients. Like, subscribe, and share. It helps us out a lot. See ya. I thought we'd do something new today. I've done a few cheesy bake videos. All right, we've got our Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.